session. Okay, so after finishing talking about read, then speak, now I think it's the time to discuss the next module, which is listen, then speak. So the directions about listen, then speak is about listen and speak. So listen, then speak asks you to speak the answer to the question you hear. For this question type, you will listen to a prompt. Then, after listening to this prompt, you have to speak the answer out loud. So, note that the directions will appear for only 20 seconds before recording begins. During this time, you can hear and replay the prompt. You can replay the prompt 3 times, Malak. So, the prompt, we can listen to the prompt 3 times because maybe I can't listen to the question clearly, or maybe I don't understand everything that is said in the recording. So I still have 2 chances to listen to the prompt. So the question or the speaker is going to speak the prompt 3 times. The minimum amount of time that I have just to speak up is 30 seconds. And absolutely maximum is 1 minute and a half. So let me say that 90 seconds just to complete answering this question. So this is the screen that is going to be shown in front of you because I have to speak the answer to the question that I will hear. So this is it, the number of replays left 2. So I can listen to the prompt 3 times, and when I finish answering, speaking about this question, I have to press next to the next module. Okay, now let me show you the tips and the key points that I don't have to forget just to be able to speak this question correctly. Now, I have to speak naturally. I have to speak clearly. So please don't speak too slow and don't speak too fast. So please, you have to speak naturally. You have to speak clearly. And as I told you before, Malak, avoid using slanguage. Please, slanguage is really bad. This is formal exam, so you have to use the formal language. Avoid using Ghana, for example, or Wana or something like that. And even avoid using abbreviations, or let me call them contractions, because as I told you, this is formal exam, so I have to be formal as much as I can. Okay,
Yes.
so this is the most important one. I have to make sure that I really understand the prompt, please, before I start recording myself. As I told you, I can replay the recording 3 times. So please don't rush the things up, because if you understand or if you misunderstand the prompt, absolutely your answer will be different. And because your answer is going to be different, absolutely you will get nothing, because you give another answer, or let me say a different answer. Okay, so please listen carefully, understand the prompt carefully. When you fully understand the prompt, please, you have to start speaking or recording yourself. So you have to speak for a minimum 30 seconds. Once the 30 seconds is finished, notice that the button turns orange. This is it. And keep in mind that after noticing the button is going to be orange, now I can conclude myself. So please be careful, because as I told you, maximum I have to speak for 90 seconds. And you will then be able to come to a natural conclusion and click the button to submit your response. Okay?
Okay.
So let me show you the key points. After that, absolutely, we will start practicing. Okay. let me open the file about listening and speaking. This is it. And let me show you the key points that I have to keep in mind. Approximately, they are the same, but let me recap. And after that, absolutely, I have to start practicing. So this is the screen that is going to be shown in front of you, and the key points are saying, so I have to listen to the prompt, absolutely, and then I have to speak. Listen to the prompt 3 times. You have 3 chances, Malak, to completely understand the prompt. Listen to the question or the prompt clearly. Please, you have to exploit these 3 chances just to completely understand the prompt. And absolutely, the 3 times is going to be within 20 seconds. Now I have maximum 90 seconds to completely answer the prompt, and I have to speak at least 30 seconds. Absolutely, you will encounter this kind or this module only once in the overall exam. Okay?
Okay.
So this is it. These are the most important key points or tips about listening and speaking. Now I think it's the time to start practicing. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, but I think we have to leave the meeting and come back again.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm waiting for you.